Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is another cleaning video. I'm also going to be talking throughout the video and telling you my favorite products or cleaning products that I'm using now, so I hope you enjoy. Just to let you guys know a little insight here, this mess of toys had been in our living room floor for about 3 days, and I finally decided to pick them up and do a little catch-up cleaning as well. And you can't tell right here, but the TV stand and the TV were so dusty. So I decided to use the 7th generation glass cleaner, which you'll see in just a second. And I am loving this stuff, you guys. I use it on my TVs, on my mirrors, on my windows. I just absolutely love it. Do you guys ever get so carried away whenever you're cleaning, you just decide to clean random things? Yeah, that's what I'm doing, cleaning my leather recliner. And now I'm just using my Hoover Cruise cordless vacuum, which I will link down below.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
And now I'm just doing the dishwasher. It seems like I do this twice a day at least. Sometimes I get my 2 older children to help me unload the dishwasher, and then I load it back. And if you're interested in knowing the dishwasher detergent that I use, right now I am using the Ecover, I believe is how it's pronounced, and it's the free and clear, and I just use the little tabs. I alternate between those and the Mrs. Meyer's dishwasher tabs, either the basil scent or the lavender, whichever is cheaper at the time. So these water bottles do not go in the dishwasher, so I have to hand wash them. And right now the dishwashing detergent that I'm using is the Caldrea in the Pear Blossom Agave scent. And I love these water bottles. We got them from Costco, I believe 2 years ago, and I absolutely love them. We most of the time just put water in them, so that's why I didn't put detergent straight down into the container. But this water bottle actually had unsweetened tea in it that I had made for my in-laws when they came down to visit us. So I did have to put detergent straight down into this container. had some people ask me in the past, why don't I just put my dish drainer in the dishwasher? And mostly because A, it won't fit with the rest of my dishes because I have so many to wash, and B, it's just easier for me just to go ahead and scrub it with my sponge and my Caldrea dish soap while I'm trying to scrub my sink anyway. So I have put it in the dishwasher before, and it does get it mostly clean, but sometimes it doesn't get into the creases and crevices like I would like for it to, so I just assume scrub it myself.
For you, you were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
This is a homemade all-purpose cleaner that I made using vinegar, water, alcohol, and lime essential oil. If you didn't know this already, I love lime essential oil. It is my favorite scent to use during the spring and summer months. And I like to use the Method all-purpose cleaner on my stovetop. It just seems to work the best. That and any glass cleaner that I might have. But the Method cleaner that I'm using right now is the lime sea salt. I'm almost out of it, and next I'll be using the pink grapefruit. Now I'm just folding up one load of laundry. I like to fold up at least one load of laundry a day, as well as wash and dry a load, of course. I used to do a lot of laundry challenge videos. If you guys are interested in seeing another laundry challenge video, then let me know. What a laundry challenge is, it's something that I came up with several months ago, and I just time myself, and I give myself 7 minutes to fold and hang up and put away an entire load of laundry, whether that's towels or kids' clothes, my clothes, or a combined load of clothes, whatever it is. So if I happen to have 3 loads of clothes that day to fold, then I try to get it done within 21 minutes. And that's including putting all the clothes away. So if you guys are interested in seeing one of those videos, I will link 1 or 2 of them above, and you can click on that, one of those. Or if you would like to watch another one, then let me know down in the comments. Also, a little hack that I have as far as doing laundry, especially if you have 1 or more children, is getting these little Dollar Tree bins, and it's great for separating laundry. Alright guys, that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.